Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Bitcoin update today. It's been a while I haven't talked about it. But before we get into the Bitcoin update, I do have the Discord here and I have shared a chart pattern which is totally have the ability for you to get $92 if you trade this right, okay? So I'm not blubbing, I'm not BS, I'm not throwing any BS at the moment. This is actually legit. You guys know that trading patterns is what really gives you the money. So for those experienced traders, I always say this: you have to be on the Discord because you are missing out on the things that I'm sharing on this channel called Trade Ideas. So Trade Ideas, what it is, let me introduce you to what it is if you do not know. Basically, I've actually come to a problem of traders. And by the way, since I have a channel, why not just do this for people? That's what I thought. So I have one paid channel where it's totally beginners who do not know how to really trade any of these patterns. So if you're a beginner, you may not actually want to do anything right now. Okay, this is not signal, this is not buy, sell, and this and that. This is for people who have like 1 year of experience. And I know a lot of you guys that are watching my videos know how to trade, and you watch my videos to just match with your technical analysis. Now during your day-to-day routine, the problem comes, what should I trade, right? What should I trade today? So I go through so many coins every day. Okay, I'm spending hours and hours actually looking at coins. Like my watch list is filled with so many coins. If I can just go here and I show you so many of these things. Now let's talk about Andy, okay? I'm gonna get into Bitcoin, but I really have to show you this because it's important. Now, if I show you Andy, right, and we talk about Andy, you see this drop that happened right here, okay? This is a whole setup that I was looking at. And if I talk about the whole setup, whole big setup, you have huge inverse head and shoulders and probably a move to go to the upside, okay? Now, the thing is that with Andy at the moment, I did talk about this in my, private channel some few time ago when Andy was trading somewhere right over here, and we're gonna go back into, oh man, okay, I really have to see and check. Okay, so this is Andy, okay? Andy is definitely a try. I think there's like I have 5 to 6 setups which are 120%, 65%, and this and that. And notice that Andy at that time was up at 748, and I was actually saying that it's coming down to retest. And this is exactly what just happened. Look at this, okay? Came down to retest. So probably from here it could actually even start to go and move back to the upside. But the thing here is, understand that this was an idea that it's going to go and retest the trend line, and some people ended up just trading that idea because why not? It's actually going to fall down, and since it's going to fall down, why not just get 28%, which is $280 out of $1,000 invested. Now go back into Bitcoin, and I do have so many ideas for you guys. Like in the future I can just keep posting, and any of you who knows how to trade can actually just take the trades. One of them is Bitcoin. Just go to the comment section of this video, and I'm going to pin the Discord invitation link. Click on that and you're in. It's just as simple as that. So into Bitcoin's update, if I do zoom out of Bitcoin, we still have this trend line that Bitcoin has failed to break above. So previously you came up to 70,000 and you got rejected again. You rejected here, you rejected there, here as well, and there as well. And then you got rejected for good. Now it makes sense to even pop down and come down here and maybe even move even lower to the lowest trend line, maybe down to 50,000. And I think this drop down, if it does happen to 50K, this may be the last drop before we do not really push up to go back to the moon. So I don't know, let's just see. So the only way to get Bitcoin to move to the upside is to actually break above and move to 73K, and then I think we have solid chances of seeing Bitcoin really pushing up to 80, 90, or even maybe 100K from there. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.